YouTube, what is up? Here with a box break from the LCS 2009 Gridiron gear. Steve Breston, number 44 out of 250. Dummy. Player timeline, Kyle Orton, 198 out of 250. Aaron Maven rookie card, 366 out of 999. Dummy. Lane Coffee, Jesus Mojo PC, Performers, not numbered, it's a pretty insert. Another Aaron Maven, that one is 61 out of 100. Sick patch. Crummy player though. Beanie Wells, 3-color patch. 22 out of 25. Nice patch. Nice 3-color. Could have been a better player though. We shall see. Give the kid a shot. Louis Delmas rookie card. 580 out of 999. Joaquin Iglesias, 226 out of 250. Don't know what generation he'll be the next of. Nice. Jeremy Macklin ball jersey, 30 out of 100. Been on a Macklin tear of late. Might be new PC. Rookie, Bradley Fletcher, 333 out of 999. Brian Hartline X, number 185 out of 250, or 180, yeah, 185 out of 250. One more I hit. Kenny Britt, 36 out of 100. Kid has got talent, just can't stay out of damn trouble. No numbered card. Alright. Apollo base overfloweth. Randy Moss X, 194 out of 250. Back when he was alive. Nothing numbered. A rookie, Bernard Scott. Nice little scat back type cat, 164 out of 999. 2 packs, need 1 hit. Don't short me the ink. Whoa. Whoa. Talking about a crummy day that just got real bright. Wow, leave it to this hobby to make you feel better. 6 out of 20 stinking 5. And just to think, I was going to open this in my closet. Mr. Stafford. If that kid can get his damn shoulder blade intact, he should be just fine. Wow, nasty. 09 Gridiron gear for the win again. Mr. Leon Washington, number 10 out of 100. Just sick. Sick. 6 out of 25. I picked the right box. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Be good, and look for some more videos this week. Peace.